Alright, so first problem I'm going to have up here, we've got 34 plus 5 times 2 minus 17. So with order of operations, we've got PEMDAS, or as what I learned in school, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, which if those are on the same line together, you work those left to right, and then addition, subtraction, same thing with that as well. If you have addition, subtraction on the same line together, then you work between those two left to right. So in this situation, we've got, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So what's my very first step that I'm going to do? Multiplication. So I'll do my 5 times 2. So what is 5 times 2? N. Whatever I'm typing up here, you all should be writing on your papers. All right, now we've got 34 plus 10 minus 17. And this is where we have addition and subtraction on the same line together. So we have to work left to right in this situation. All right, so what's the first thing on the left that I got to do? I got to add. So I'm taking 34 plus 10, which gives me what? 44. And that leaves me with 44 minus 17. So what's 44 minus 17?
26.
Huh?
26.
Did you say 26 or 27? 27. Yep. And 27 will end up being our answer for this one. All right, next problem. So in our parentheses, we've got 6 plus 18, then that divided by 3 times 2. So we've got our parentheses, addition, division, and multiplication. What's our very first step? Parentheses. So in our parentheses, we've got 6 plus 18. So what is 6 plus 18? What is it? 24. All right, now I got 24 divided by 3 times 2. So multiplication and division are on the same line. So that means we've got to work left to right. So what's the first thing on the left? Division. So 24 divided by 3? Not 6. Huh? Marley? 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8, because 8 times 3 equals 24. Now we're just left with 8 times 2, which gives us what? 16. Let's do... All right, so this one's going to be a little bit more challenging than what we were just doing. We've got pretty much a mixture of everything. So what's my very first step? Landon? Parentheses. Parentheses is our very first step. But inside our parentheses, we've got exponent and subtraction. So what's my next step? The exponent is my next step. So 2 to the third power. So remember, that's the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. All right? So if I take 2 times 2, what does that give me? 4. And then 4 times 2? 8. All right, so we're still inside our parentheses because all we did was that exponent first. So we're still working on the parentheses. Now all I got to do is 8 minus 4, which gives me what? 4. What do we think our next step is? Divide, our division. So what's 4 divided by 2? 2. All right, we got 15 plus 2 minus 6. What's going to be our next step? The add, because where we have addition subtraction on the same line, we got to do left to right. So we're adding 15 plus 2, 17. Now we just got 17 minus 6, which is what? 11. Oh. All right. I know that in the video, y'all saw something that looked like a little slash. So on the board, I put what that slash actually meant. If you see anything like that, it means division. All right. Kind of like fractions. Like sometimes you'll see fractions with that slash. Fractions, same thing as division. Okay. So anytime you see a slash like that or something that looks like it's in fraction form, it just means division. Okay. All right.